Hi, welcome to AnswersQ. Press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get more updates about free online courses, course answers, and internships. Hi friends, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to see the free online courses that are offered by ISRO, that is Indian Space Research Organization. Before going into the video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a video. And you can also connect with me on social media platforms like Telegram and WhatsApp. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out. Now let's go to the content of this video. So ISRO has launched a new course by IARS, that is Indian Institute of Remote Sensing. And if you see, the name of this course is Geospatial Application for Disaster Risk Management. You can just click on the course name and you can see that this course is organized by two bodies. That is one is United Nations Office for Outer Space Affairs and the other one is Center for Space Science and Technology Education in Asia and the Pacific. And if you scroll down, just click on course browser and you will be seeing something like this. In this browser, you can see all the details about this online program. Like they have given the learning objectives and the target audience and the session by experts for the organizations. And here comes the important detail, that is the structure of the online program. So this online program is divided into two tracks. One is basic module and track 2 is advanced module. But you can get the certification for completing the track 1 alone. But if you complete the track 1 alone, you will get a certificate for completing the basic module only. But if you complete all the two tracks, you will get the certificate for the entire online program. So they have given all other details about the track here, like what are the modules that are available under each track. So for basic module, you have 2 modules and the remaining 4 modules comes under the advanced module, that is in track 2. And if you ask about assessment, at the end of each module, you will have to take a self-assessment. And after completing that assessment only, you will be moving on to the next module. And you have to complete all the modules and the assessment in each of these modules to receive your certificate. And the language of instruction is English. And the duration of track 1 and track 2 both is 12 hours each. And if you see the course fee, it's absolutely free. You can see that here, course fee is free. And they have given other details like the opportunities for participants attending the online program. And they have also given more detail about the course content. Like they have explained each module separately here. And they have also provided the instructor name and to which organization they belong. They have given all the details in this brochure. You can just go through and see all the details. So now let's look at the registration process for this course. So you can see here online registration. Click on that and you will be landing on this page. And what you have to do is you have to give your full name and you have to provide your email ID and you have to set a password. So they have given the password strength here. See that and give a password and you have to retype your password here and you have to type the code that is appearing here for you. You have to type the code here in the box given and click on register. So let me quickly give my details and let's move on to the next step. So once you have given all the details, click on the register button. So once you click on the register button, you will see this: congratulations, your registration is complete. Please check your email to activate the account. So you will get a mail like this from IARS. Just click on the link provided so that your email will be confirmed and you will see this: congratulations, your email is confirmed. And now what you have to do is just scroll down and you will see here already registered. Just click on it. And now what you have to do is give your email ID again and give your password and enter the code provided here and click on login. So let me log into my account and catch up after that. So once you log into your account, you will be moving on to the next step, that is selecting the course. Just click on the button here, choose courses, and you will see here Geospatial Applications for Disaster Risk Management. Just choose this course and scroll down and click on save and continue. And now we are moved to the third step, in which you have to provide your personal details like your name, date of birth, gender, city, contact number and address. And once you have given all your details, click on save and continue. So let me give my details and move on to the next step. Once you give all your personal details and click on save and continue in the third step, you will be moving on to the fourth step, in which you have to provide your education and professional details. So you have to give your details like highest qualification, subject, board or institute or university in which you completed it, and you have to provide your employment status and you have to answer this question: would you like to receive email from IIRS? So once you have entered all these details, click on save and continue. So let me give my details and move on to the next step. So once you provide all your education and professional details in the fourth step and click on save and continue, you will be moving on to the fifth step, which is to apply for the course. And you will see this selected course details. Just click on the apply button here. Just click on it. And you will see this congratulations, and you will be provided with a unique registration number like this. You might also have got the email. So the next step is very simple. You just have to join the course. You will see here a button, join course. Just click on this button here. And now you have to give your username and password and again enter the captcha and click on login. So let me log into my account and catch up after that. Don't confuse with the username. It's just your mail ID. Give your mail ID and log into your account. So that's it. Now we are logged into our account. You can see here the course name, Geospatial Applications for Disaster Risk Management. Just click on the course name and you will see all the details about the course. So now we are in the course dashboard, and if you scroll down, you can see the tracks here, track 1 basic module and track 2 advanced module. So just click on view section modules here. And in this page, if you scroll down, you can see here technical sessions. Click on technical sessions and you can see all the details of the technical of the track 1 module, that is basic 1. You can see all the modules and the sessions. You can just click on it and start learning for free. And once you have completed the track 1 content, that is the basic module content, you can go back, and if you scroll down, you can see here that you have module 1 assessment and module 2 assessment. You have to complete these 2 assessments, and after completing these assessments, you have to fill the feedback form, that is feedback track 1. And after giving the feedback, you can download your certificate. You can see that here, course certificate. So not available unless activity feedback track 1 is marked as complete. So you have to complete the content, you have to complete the assessments, and once you have done that, you have to give your feedback, and after that you can download your certificate. And once you have completed the track 1, that is basic module, you can move on to the track 2, that is advanced module. So after completing the course, you can download your certificate for free and share it on your social media platforms like LinkedIn or other platforms, in whichever you want to share your certificate. So this is the content for this video. ISRO is providing a free online course, that is Geospatial Applications for Disaster Risk Management. We have seen all the details about the course, and we have also seen the registration process. I'll put this link in description. Click on that, and if you click on course browser, you will see all the details in the PDF, and click on online registration and you will see the registration process which we done. So I hope this video was useful to you all. To get more updates about free online courses, course answers and internships, subscribe to AnswersQ and press the bell icon. And you can also connect with me on social media platforms like WhatsApp. I'll give you all the link. Check it out. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you need anything, and share this video with your friends. And thank you so much for watching this video.